We present to you the famous stand-up comedy of GS. In the lineup, we have Russell Peters, Veer Das, Louis C.K., and everyone you have already heard. Hello? Huh? क्या बात कर रहे हो? क्या ऐसा कैसे हो गया भाई? ठीक है एक गुड न्यूज है एक बैड न्यूज है जी. I've heard that the souls of Russell Peter, Veer Das and Louis C.K. have all transcended down on earth and have been combined into one. So please welcome our very own Sharvil Thatte.
Hello. I'm just making sure if there are any professors around. Hello, ma'am. Well, I thankfully passed second year, so yes. But Smriti ma'am is there, so ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, people. How are you tonight? Well, you're feeling better than I am, anyway. Feels good to be back. It feels good to be back on the stage. You know, it still feels good to be an unpaid stand-up comedy performer at a professional event with lakhs of rupees as their budget. Where are the organizers? We'll see. Well, but, you know, as most of you do not know, my name is Sharvil Thatte. Yes, that's going to be a standard opening in all my acts because I am very sad at the moment considering what just happened in the debate. I think they, you know, preponed the comedy act a bit and, you know, the comedy was on me, so anyway. But it's okay. You know, comedy and I have been old friends. My life has been a comedic journey. I don't know why you're laughing at that, but okay. Free का है, तुम्हें फर्क क्या पड़ने वाला है? So see, like in MBBS, like in first year during physiology pracs, there used to be like everyone bakra, क्योंकि one guy used to be selected always to become, you know, the examinee, and you're just dreading, not me, कल trim कर लिया होता, shit, काश crunches करके आता. And then you're trying to suck in your stomach at that point, and then you get selected. So, you know, I was selected for ECG ka practicals, and, you know, sir is putting on those cold tube all over my chest and, you know, attaching the leads, and then, you know, suddenly you get a readout ki, okay, students will be now learning about the waves, and you have like P, Q, R, S, T, and like PR interval is normally 0.12 to 0.2. Let's see what is there. 0.24. First degree heart block. No, the machine must be faulty. It's okay. This is first year. Second year, okay, it just goes on increasing. Second year, last year, confluence. I'm running around, you know, working, and suddenly an intern stops me and like, hey, your eyes look yellow. No, I'm not a Chinese, thank you. But, wow, racist joke, nobody gets it. Nice. Yes, this is turning out to be sadder than I thought. Anyway, so then I come and, you know, Smriti ma'am stops me and like, your eyes are looking yellow. Go get your SGPT and done. And turns out I had high bilirubin and I had Gilbert syndrome. And I was like, yes, sympathy sex. But anyway. But then it turns out that it's a non-fatal, non-hemolytic type of familiar hyperbilirubinemia. And I was like, Angad, are you free tonight? And I was like, nothing else to do. Yet. But then came third year and we are standing in medicine clinic and, you know, Karnik sir is teaching and he's like, okay, what's Quinky's pulse? Let's examine Quinky's pulse. And like, so basically you, okay, I'll take your hand. So he took my hand, like you illuminate from the bottom of the nail and you know, pinch it and then you see for pulsations. And he was like, Do you have severe aortic regurg? All those memories coming back to me, and like, no, this is normal. You will see that in pathological cases. So like life has been having its games with me, and then once I came over here, everybody's like, "Arey, you do stand-up comedy. You must do everywhere." Like Confluence, okay, we must do. Like everyone was asking, we must do something new in Confluence. Sharvile na? करेगा stand-up करेगा. Like every organizer like, बोल झमुरे. हाँ सरकार. Stand-up करेगा. हाँ सरकार. हाँ करेगा. At these times I forget that I am the GS also, but anyway. Shit's about to get real bad. Well, so you see, life is funny, and the more you think about it, the less you get out of it, and sometimes music calms you down. But what really happens sometimes is when you want to find something funny, you find things funny which are not meant to be funny. The prime example being when you think all songs are about sex. Like there are some which are overtly about it, like all I wanna do is have some fun. I can't be more obvious than that, sorry. Then you have like, all of me loves all of you. Or then you have really innocent songs from Disney sometimes going, let it go, can't hold it back anymore, let it go. Then you have like the songs you least expected, like मेरा जीवन कोरा कागज कोरा ही रह गया. Or something like, देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे. Like, ma'am, I hope I don't get you for my MBBS Vendison Viva. But these things you just realize as you go along, and this is not because you have a dirty mind. It's just that you find things like that. Like the other day, I was watching this movie. Any Hollywood movie fans in the house? Have you ever heard of the movie Rush? Niki Lauda. Like when Rush came out on Yiffy, like all I could hear in the hostel was, "Hey, Niki Lauda, जेवायला येतोय का? Niki Lauda." And Niki Lauda. Thank God. As in, they didn't even have to dub it in Marathi. Like they could have just played it in like Sharda cinema and then be like, hey, Lauda. So in like I was just looking at the Singapore Grand Prix. Like it happens inside the city. We have foreign returns, Sir Angad over here. He'll tell you all the wonders that are there in Singapore. The swimming pools and the bikinis and the selfies who people do not know about. But anyway, I'm not going there. You sat in the front row, it's your fault. Anyway. So, so Singapore Grand Prix happens inside the city. I was just wondering if that could happen in Mumbai. Okay, that was funny. Lewis Hamilton, goes on Science Flower, comes on Parel Flower directly, skips the whole area in the middle. And then, what would happen if, like, he stops at a pit stop, like Lewis Hamilton stops at a pit stop. Like, everyone comes, the whole pit crew. But the Hawa wala guy is an old Buddha uncle who's going to come like, आगे ले. हाँ, बस. Oh, what bollocks is this? आगे ले. Then he fills it slowly and goes, and in the end he'll come to the window and like, they'll never say it. They'll be just like, Banta. And itne mein you will have bhikaris coming like, Shirdi wale, hey Hamilton, then paisa de like, Shani Baba tere ko ye dega, dua dega and all that shit. And suddenly you have the eternal peacekeepers of Mumbai coming up, like something like, Hey Raja! That's the worst thing possible. You have someone from the UK coming and driving and suddenly he hears, Hey Raja! Paisa deta hai ki? Like, hey Raju, सुना क्या? आज डेजर्ट में चिकना आया, चिकना. See, it's when things like this happen, you try to wonder about things. See, this is where I get irritating because all my friends around me like, साला हर time stand up करता रहता है, इसका भी joke बनाएगा and shit like that, and I don't feel bad. Yes, you're laughing because you know what's coming next. Because see, it's like, okay, so we have things like trying different things. Like, have you ever woken up in the morning and put the wrong leg into your pants? It just feels weird, right? Like, have you ever tried writing with the wrong hand? Feels weird. Put your wallet in the wrong back pocket. So, ever try doing something with the wrong hand but feels so right? So right. Jagannath. It's like you're taking pulse for the first time. The rate is new. The rhythm is new. The feel of the vessel is new. The force and tension I won't go to the volume. That's and it's bilaterally unequal because Well, no, I'm not talking about me, by the way. Yeah, this is not me. This is some third guy who's probably wearing a green T-shirt with Asaram Bapu ka photo and a line under it saying "Horny ko kaun taal sakta hai" and shit like that. But what would such kind of people do? Like, suppose we all use technology with us, but how could you misuse technology was what I was wondering. Like, we all know about Android assistants and we all know about Siri and OK Google, but they never are really used for what they were designed for. Like, you never go, okay Google, take me to Dadar. Like, no, what I would like for Google to do for me is something new. Like, okay Google, where can I find a condom? I need it. Okay, apparently people don't know about the joke, but or something like, okay Google, where can I have a good time? 2 search results. Kamathipura, Grant Road, Congress House. Sort them according to price, please. Language change to Gujarati. ₹10 से कम में कुछ मिलेगा क्या गूगल? घर जा साले जगन्नाथ. And like, horny bastard. Anyway, you try and you tend to find everything funny even though it's not funny, and this is where you mess up. Like, recently when the whole nation was in shock and crying because porn was banned, you think, oh my god, such an old friend we have lost, so many of them. Asa, Lisa, Natalie, Leah, I don't know, probably your favorite, but so, and then you realize, okay, how unrealistic these things are, okay, how you cannot really actually do them in real life. Okay, either you're experienced or feminazi for the win. So, it's like so unrealistic, like so much oil is wasted in these. The front row knows what I'm talking about. Yes, look at the FSs. Like, so much oil is wasted. You can probably fry like 2-3 idlis into it. I don't know. Maybe. But just imagine if like people get dissuaded and actually do this in real life. Like 9 months later, the doctor is going to come and say, Mubarak ko aapko medu vada hua hai. It's just so unrealistic to do and think about things like this. But then I thought, how could you make porn funny? You could dub porn. Like, things we are used to only in English, when you dub them into Hindi or regional languages, is when it gets really funny. Like in English you might have like, I'm here to repair your sink. In Marathi like, आओ मावशी आलेलो रे, तुमचे पाईप खराब वाटतात ते. खोपो खोपो खोपो. Anyway, the regionalist taste, just changes everything and makes it funny because you can dub anything you like into Marathi. Like even songs, like English songs do not make sense in Marathi. You try to dub such things and you realize, for example, turn down for what? Just imagine the Marathi one, khalti waldi kashala, and it just doesn't make sense. Okay, that wasn't meant to be dirty, but you just made it dirty. Thank you for that new joke. I'll remember that. But you know the funniest thing that I could think of was what. So recently, a few female friends of mine told me about how when they stay together, their cycles sync up. Their cycles sync up. That is when I had the first seizure. Like, TMI. I do not need to know about that. Okay, let's not go there. Then I'm like, what if that happened in men? What if the boys' hostel was having a uniform cycle throughout? Like, just imagine the first few days, everyone is crying, "Ay, porn ban dhala! Porn ban dhala! Sunny! Sunny!" And then suddenly, like, 300 GB. Aicha! Like, pen drives being inserted everywhere. There. But then I realized how every 14th day you have ovulation in girls. Every 14th day of the month, the drains of the main boys' hostel would be clogged. I just hope nobody from the hostel committee is here. This has been fun. Thank you for being such a great audience. Thank you.